Stocks are heavy this morning, but may be coming off their lows as data caused a jump in yields today. Yields are up between 8 and 11 basis points. The 2 years at 437, up 8 basis points. The 5-year 448, up 11 basis points. The 10 years at 464, up 10, with the 30-year at 484, up 9. Gold is slightly lower, and so is crude oil, down 1.57%. But silver and copper are both higher. The dollar is stronger currently with its best performance against the Japanese yen, and Bitcoin is lower again with the low price today hitting the lowest level since February 3rd. I'm looking at the Russell down 1.34%, the Dow down 1.07%, the S&P down 0.8%, and the Nasdaq down just short of 0.6%, but as I mentioned, feels like they're coming off the lows. CPI was the surprise. It rose the most since March. Headline CPI month over month was up 0.5%, and year over year is sitting at up 3%, both higher than expected and higher than last month. And the core month over month was up 0.4%, with the core year over year sitting at up 3.3%, also both higher than expectations and higher than the previous month. Jerome Powell, the chairman of the U.S. Federal Reserve, has day 2 of testimony today, and day 2 is before the House of Representatives, which tends to be a bit more political than the Senate. But with the surprising CPI figure, we'll probably need to keep a closer eye on today's testimony than we did on yesterday's testimony. Looking ahead, earnings after the closing bell, 63 companies with over $1 billion in market cap are reporting, including Cisco Systems, Trade Desk, HubSpot, Reddit, and Robinhood Markets. Tomorrow before the open, another 57 companies with $1 billion or more in market cap reporting, including Sony, Datadog, Deere & Company, Duke Energy, Honda Motors, and CyberArk. Tonight, we get a 10-year note auction. That's this afternoon. And then Fed Governor Christopher Waller is speaking later tonight. And then tomorrow, UK GDP and industrial production data, German CPI, and PPI in the US, along with the usual Thursday jobless claims figures.